Hello from Slovenia again. I just had some scrape paint, you see, from one of my pours, and I just mix it and I will try to use it as my background. No, I will start with pearl white and I will do a reverse flower dip on top. So this was my pearl white and Amsterdam greenish blue, and some pearl white again. I don't know, I think that my pearl white is a little thin today. And this is a mixture of iridescent, Pebeo iridescent blue violet, blue violet, yes, and permanent blue violet from Amsterdam. And I will show you tomorrow how beautiful that split cup pour dried with this color, so I really love it. And this is iridescent, Pebeo iridescent blue green. That's it. Some pearl white, and this is permanent blue violet from Amsterdam. Okay, and I'm off center totally. See? Totally off center. But I can't help it now. So let's drag some of this out and switch this. I will do just one layer because I don't want big flower today, and I will add a little of pearl white because I don't know if this will even work, because I think that I thinned down my pearl white too much. And it's blue green, greenish blue, and pearl white again. And so tomorrow I will have live stream again at 4 p.m. Standard Eastern time, and I will try to do reverse flower dip with Elmer's glue all, because my friend Mel sent me some, so I can try it. And I will try something that I think that it can be alternative to my pearl white that I mix with Vallejo pearl medium. So if you want to see, please join me tomorrow and we will find out together if this will work or not. Where are my baby wipes? Because I have my hands totally, just a second, I just have to clean my hands a little bit because they are sticky and I don't like that. And I will spray my paper napkin with water. Oops. I went to Austria today because I think that we will close our borders real soon because we have a lot of new cases of coronavirus, so I don't know how long our borders will be still open. So I went to buy my binder. I will bring a little of this color towards the middle. Okay, I don't know, you see how it's totally off-centered, but I can't help it now. I just have to put my napkin where the middle is and try to lift it nicely. So I have to pay attention that my middle is here, that it's not in the middle of my canvas but off-centered. So let me check where I pull off too much paint, and I will add it a little bit. I really love these colors together. What do you say? I think that they are beautiful together. And I will just try to do that. I will spin it just a tiny little bit maybe, but not too much, because it can be like this and it will not be so much. Just have to touch a little of this, you know what. Some people ask me why I constantly do that in the middle, but sometimes these main parts are just not nice here in the middle. Not always, but sometimes I just don't like that look. So this is just how can I say, you don't have to do that, but I just want it to, wow, I just love these colors. They're so beautiful, and maybe I should take you for a close-up in the way that you would see this shimmer, but I will show you a dry result when it will be dry, so you will see it. I don't know why this purple don't look purple on camera, but wow, just so beautiful. But as I said, these colors are not the colors that I see. And again, it's not perfect, oh sorry, in the shape, but I still love it. So you will see the right colors in the thumbnail of this video. I really don't know. I bought new lights. I get these lights and I don't know. I just can't get the right colors on camera sometimes. If not daylight. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.